QUILLISTAS! I'm Paisley, the world's only porcupine fashion designer. Well, technically I'm only supposed to pin up Zavannah's couture designs. 'Cause, porcupines only pin. But fashion isn't just about clothes, it's about confidence. So when my model friends feel unsure, I help them shine. See, now you look fabulous. Because when you feel good, you look amazing. Shh, don't tell Zavannah. Want to see more fashion fun? Hit like, subscribe, and join me in Paisley's Fashion Forest.
QUILLISTAS, welcome to Paisley's Fashion Forest. You can sing, create, and sparkle, twirl and dance with all the animal top models.